up, guys? It is the morning. I just woke up and I'm walking to class, and hope you guys had a good 4th of July. I may or may not have just played Fortnite for the second half of the day, but I just wanted to talk quickly as I'm in this forest walking to class. This is where I go to on my way to class. But I think corn tortillas are making me feel worse, even if they're super healthy, like organic sprouted corn tortillas. And like yesterday, I didn't eat them with my one meal, and maybe I'll show you what I'm eating, but it just kind of depends on how I'm feeling, because sometimes I don't feel like talking or making videos. But right now I felt like making a video, so I just wanted to talk about the takasumi and the greens powder and sprouted corn tortillas, which apparently, I think the corn tortillas are just too starchy. I think they cause me too many symptoms, and I thought the takasumi was something that made me feel better, and I took it the last couple days, like later at night, the same time I took it before, and yeah, I didn't feel as good. So it was like, okay, sometimes I find these things that help me feel better, I think, and then I try to do the same thing, and then it doesn't help. So it's like, what the F? How do I feel good? But right now I'm feeling a little bit better. So it's confusing. And I know I ate just black beans, avocados, some garlic, some sauerkraut stuff, and sometimes I would put it into a tortilla. Sometimes I would put it into a tortilla, which is what I'd been doing the last couple days, but I didn't do that. So I was wondering if that was what was making me feel worse. And I feel better without it right now, and maybe it's just something else. And it probably is, because who really knows? But apparently corn tortillas are the devil, so don't eat corn tortillas. But I'm gonna I'm also late to class, or maybe late. I'm trying to walk. I gotta walk like 35 minutes to get to class, and it's gonna be coming close, so we'll see if I get to class on time. I'm walking as fast as I can. I got 23 minutes to walk all the way over the mountain. And I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I can tell when I feel better that my mood is better and I have more energy. Like, I'm walking pretty fast right now, and my spatial awareness is better. Like, I don't have to look at the ground when I'm walking to sense like where the end of the sidewalks and stuff are. So that's good. I'm almost, well, not quite there. Got like 18 minutes to go. Alright, we're getting closer. These are some dorms. I gotta go way over there. Alright, we got some soccer field over there. Got a softball field over there. Tennis courts over there. A building. And I got a long ways to go. Yeah, maybe I'm just sensitive to corn. 'Cause I feel less anxiety, less depressed, and less like over alert to my environment. We're just waiting for class. So I did make it to my first class, and I was on time by like 3 minutes, and there was only like 2 people there when I first got there. So I did good on that, and now I'm waiting for my second class. But yeah, I definitely noticed the benefits from not eating that corn flour, I think. I'm not sure if that's really it. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.